Hello, folks. I am Yash, and welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest innovation and insights. Today, we have demonstration of Market Pilot, an advanced budget management bot powered by Microsoft Copilot Studio. Market Pilot is a design to simplify and enhance decision making by leveraging the power of AI to analyze data, enabling better planning throughout a financial year. Let me walk you through how it works and the value it brings to the marketing and finance team. Marketing is the foundation of successful business strategy aimed primarily at boosting sales and revenue. This is where Market Pilot stands out as an essential tool to give you real-time insights on marketing budget, activity progress for marketing. It provides real-time insights and actionable data, helping team make informed decisions effortlessly. Market Pilot simplifies planning and track the performance of marketing campaign. For finance, it ensures transparency by monitoring expenditure, comparing them against budget, and many more. It identifies the potential cost-saving opportunities, ensuring alignment with strategic financial goals. Now let me walk you through how Market Pilot works. To start with, here we have a question number 1, which is what is the total sum of allocation, sum of activity completed compared to budgets? So to start with, I will be selecting the financial year. Then I will be selecting any one of them, which is sum of budgets, sum of allocated budgets, or sum of activity completion. Let's select sum of budgets. For instance, selecting sum of budget prompts Market Pilot to analyze the data and deliver a region-wise breakdown of budget expenditure, along with the total sum. Thus demonstrate how Market Pilot simplifies complex calculation with just a few clicks. Now, we have our question number 2, which is which vendor has the highest number of contracts? To start with, I'll be selecting my question. Then I'll be selecting the financial year. After that, I'll be selecting the quarter. As you can see, the Market Pilot has given me the vendor name with the highest number of contract. Now, let's have a look at the question number 3. Which region, brand, or person has the highest number of marketing activities? To check this, I'll be clicking on the question. Then I'll be selecting the financial year. After that, I'll be selecting the quarter. And then I'll be selecting anyone, which is region, brand, or user. I'll be going with the brands. As you can see, after completing this step, Market Pilot has displayed a comprehensive list of the brands under expenditure. It identifies the region, brand, or individual with the highest number of activities, helping team to prioritize their focus. And there you have it, Market Pilot in action, your AI-powered co-pilot for budget management. Market Pilot is more than just a chatbot. It's a transformative tool designed to enhance the workflows of both marketing and finance team. For marketing profession, it serves as a virtual assistant, providing real-time insights that improves campaign effectiveness, optimize budget allocation, and drive strategic decision-making. With instant access to critical data, team can make informed decisions that directly impact business growth and customer engagement. By bridging this gap between marketing strategy and finance decisions, Market Pilot empowers team to collaborate, streamline, operate, and achieve better outcomes effortlessly. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content and exciting demonstration. See you in the next video.
Sys4 is a global technology consulting company helping customers in their digital transformation journey. We are a specialist Microsoft Gold partner on Azure, Dynamics 365, and Power Platform. Stay tuned for more customer videos, stories from Sys4.